Be me, Navy sailor on patrol. Spotted this North Core fishing boat acting strange. Zoomed in and saw the crew adjusting something at the back. Look at the hidden launch canister connected directly to the lower deck behind them. Rumor says their newest stealth ICBM can launch from these modified civilian boats and orbit the world before hitting the US. Raytheon and Lockheed are completely clueless about this tech. How over is it, Emmons? Sorry, I am Korean so I can't write Tang very good and my keyboard can write the North Nam so I call it by N. KO. Be me, at LGS. Say I'm looking for a micro compact. Twink behind the counter says I've got a micro compact you could try out. End up railing him in my truck later. Didn't even buy a gun.